Rakhi Sawant is back on television with Bigg Boss 14. The Bollywood actress, who is also known as the Controversy Queen, entered the show last evening as a contestant. While it remains to be seen what she does on the show, here is looking at some controversies that she has courted in the past and made headlines. First, wedding with NRI Ritesh. In 2019, Rakhi announced her marriage with NRI Ritesh. She had then shared with Times of India details of her secret wedding. She had said, "Ritesh and I got married at JW Marriott in Mumbai. He is a Hindu NRI and I am a Christian. So I had a court marriage and had a Catholic wedding. The wedding was intimate with just family members." Talking about how their love story started, she had revealed, "We started chatting on WhatsApp. He proposed to me on WhatsApp, and you can say that it's a WhatsApp love affair and marriage." Ritesh has such good parents and sisters. "Mera pati mere liye parmeshwar hai." Second, injury during wrestling promotion. In 2018, during the promotion of Khali's Continental Wrestling, Rakhi Sawant got into a dance battle with American female wrestler Rebel. The latter during their act caught hold of Rakhi and then threw her. Rakhi suffered a back injury. She fell unconscious and got hospitalized for the same. Third, sporting a Namo dress. In 2016, Rakhi made headlines after she wore a black dress with Prime Minister Modi's pictures printed strategically. She sported it to a pre-Independence Day party in the US that was organized by the Federation of Indian Americans to celebrate the 70th anniversary of Indian independence. As soon as the pictures surfaced on the internet, they went viral and Rakhi received backlash for it. Fourth, cancelling engagements. Rakhi led the reality show Rakhi Ka Swayamvar 2009, in which she planned to find her future husband. By the end of it, she ended her search with Canada-based Ailesh Parunjanwala. However, later Rakhi called off the engagement due to their differences. She also claimed she wanted to marry him for money. In 2018 again, Rakhi was all set to marry Deepak Kalar, but she announced in December that she had cancelled the wedding. In 2019, she revealed she had married UK-based NRI Ritesh. Fifth, kiss with Mika Singh. In 2006, Rakhi filed a complaint against singer Mika Singh for allegedly kissing her at a party without her consent. Pictures surfaced on the internet serving as proof of her statement. This made headlines for several days thereafter. Sixth, failed political career. Rakhi Sawant formed her own political party called the Rashtriya Aam Party to contest the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. It failed to garner votes and led Rakhi to eventually resign from it. She later joined the Republican Party of India. 7th, bizarre statements. Time and again, Rakhi has not only done controversial things but also said them. She once slammed Kangana Ranaut and said, "If Kangana is so publicity hungry, she should have kissed Mika for the song and become famous." She also made headlines this year for calling herself more dangerous than coronavirus. 8th, plastic surgery. Well, Rakhi, who is known for saying bizarre things, also hinted that she has got plastic surgery done in an episode of Coffee with Karan. In fact, her line, "Jo cheezing God nahi deta, doctor dete hai," created quite a stir.